Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to show you a few of the wigs I wore in December of 2021. I know we're already in 2022, but I thought I would show you the wigs I wore in December. I've been doing a little series here of the wigs I wear during the month. Now of course these aren't all the wigs I wore. We'd be here all day. Can't show you that, but I'm going to show you 10 and I will show you my favorite at the end. Now all of these wigs were provided to me by Wig Studio One. I either purchased them with my own funds or they were provided to me for previous review. So all the wigs you see today will come from wigstudio1.com. Be sure to check the drop down box below this video. If you see a wig you want to know more about, I will link my full review in the drop down box below. So everything you'll need to know about style, color, cap construction, outdoor lighting, everything is in the videos that I've already reviewed, all of these, and it will be in the drop down box below. Okay, let's look at the wigs I wore in December. First up, Ellen Villa Eclat in Bernstein Mix. I love this wig. I've enjoyed it. I reach for it often. I love the beachy waves. It has a lot of movement. It has a lace front. Beautiful Ellen Villa lace front. Easy to wear. You can just throw some styling into this, just some wig wax or some sea salt spray and texture this out a little bit. Separate these curls if you'd like. You can run your wide tooth comb through them. I usually don't. I like this curl pattern just like it is, but this is a beautiful style. This is Gabor Debutante in SS Sandy Blonde, one of my favorites. You've seen me wear it and review it. I love the lace front. So pretty. Now this just has the slightest wave to it, which I think makes it so feminine. This is a classic for Gabor, I think, and of course these colors are so beautiful. I like the rooting on these, everything about it. Be sure to check out Gabor styles. Alright, Jon Renau Jazz Mono 1022 TT. Of course, another just classic, well-known style from Jon Renau. Works on everybody. Throw on and go, out of the box style. Wow, I just can't get enough of these short pixies. I wear them all summer long for sure. I tend to wear a little longer styles in the cooler weather, but in the south, in the summer, I always reach for a pixie, and this is a great one. This is Estetica Designs Violet RH1488 RT8, of course, popular style and color from Estetica. Lace front, mono part, again, beachy waves. What I like about this is that, again, it has a really nice length. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin. This is a good length. This is age appropriate for anyone, and I love just the casual, beachy look of this. It has a lot of movement, and you can take this to evening, just pull this up, put a sparkly clip in it, and this will work for day or night. This is Main Attraction, Seduction, in Butternut. I have not worn this in a while, so I was really happy to pull it out. It's a little longer for this time of the year, and I really enjoy this one. I haven't worn this in so long, but I'm going to put this back into my rotation. Beautiful color, lace front. These Main Attraction wigs are really nice. They are budget friendly, so be sure to look at some of these. If you haven't tried one of these, you might want to give it a try. It's a really nice longer style, and this one called Seduction. Okay, another tried and true style, Jon Renau Cameron in 12FS12 Malibu Blonde. Of course, it has the lighter root than Shaded Praline 12FS8. which I think is wonderful. I really enjoy the lighter rooting. It has a lace front. Like I said, tried and true Jon Renau style. I like the sleekness of this. You can pull this back, wear it off your face. Lots of ways to wear this beautiful style. Jon Renau Cameron. This is Belle Tress, Pike Place, and Sumptuous Strawberry. Now this is a lot of hair on this wig. I just reviewed this previously, and also this is a newer release for Belle Tress. Now, like I said, this is a lot of hair. However, I'm always looking for styles that work great in updos to pull off your face. This one is perfect for that. You can pull this up, put a clip in it, take this easily into evening, wear this in a ponytail. Lots of things you can do with these longer styles. If you're looking for a longer piece that you want to wear, like I said, off your face, this is one you might want to look at. Belle Tress, Pike Place. Jon Renau Maya in 12 FS12. This has worked its way into my top 10. I can't get enough of this wig. I wear this at least once a week. I enjoy it. I wear it to work. Sometimes I wear it just like this. Sometimes I clip it back. I've pulled it completely off my face. It has a beautiful wave pattern. I cannot tell you what a beautiful wig this is. If you haven't tried it, please have a look at it. Lace front, gorgeous, just beautifully done. Beautiful Jon Renau fibers. Be sure to have a look at Maya. Raquel Welch, Big Time in Cinnabar. Wow, do I love Cinnabar. Such a beautiful red shade, and I really enjoy Big Time. I haven't had it out in a while. I've been trying to pull out some of the wigs that I don't wear that often and put them back into my rotation. I personally really like the flip. Some people do not. I do. I think it's fun. I think that, you know, you can really spray some water into this, some sea salt spray. Just piece it out if you'd like. Lots of ways to wear it. It's versatile. It has a lace front and a mono top. That hairline is gorgeous. Another tried and true Raquel Welch, Big Time. This is TressAllure Feathered Bob in dark golden blonde. Now I pulled it back because I wanted to show you these longer styles are perfect to pull back away from your face. If you find a wig that you think is just too much hair, too long for you, you can always pull it back. I did this one in a ponytail. Works perfect for that. Now if you want to see how this looks down, a full review, like I said, I will link it below. But this is such a cute style, easy to wear. Throw it back like this. It's perfect for all ages. It looks great. TressAllure Feathered Bob. Okay, that was a look at the wigs I wore in December, and my favorite one I wore is this Wille Eclat. I love this wig. I love everything about it. I love the color. I love the style. I love the wave pattern of this. I've really been into the beachy waves, as everyone has. I think this one has a really good length. It's not too long, yet it's just long enough to be stylish. I think every age group could wear this. So if you haven't checked this one out, please do. Wille Eclat. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy this little series. I'll see you for another one for the wigs I wear in January. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time.